Lists are mutable sequences typically used to store collections of homogeneous items where the precise degree of will similarity will vary by application. Class list iterable lists may be constructed in several ways using a pair of square brackets to denote the empty list, using square brackets separating items and commas a b c, using a list comprehension x for x in iterable, using the type constructor list or list iterable. The constructor builds a list whose items are the same and in the same order as iterable's items. Iterable may be either a sequence, a container that supports iteration, or an iterator object. If iterable is already a list, a copy is made and returned, similar to iterable colon. For example, list ABC returns ABC and list AB123 returns 123. If no argument is given, the constructor creates a new empty list. Many other operations also produce lists including the sorted built-in. Lists implement all the common and mutable sequence operations. Lists also provide the following additional method: sort star comma key is equal to none comma reversal is equal to false. This method sorts the list in place using only less than comparisons between items. Exceptions are not suppressed. If any comparison operations fail, the entire sort operation will fail and the list will likely be left in a partially modified state. Sort accepts two arguments that can only be passed by keyword only arguments. Key specifies a function of one argument that is used to extract a comparison key from each list element. For example, key is equal to str.lower. The key corresponding to each item in the list is calculated once and then used for the entire sorting process. The default value of none means the list items are sorted directly without calculating a separate key value. The functools.cmp underscore 2.key utility is available to convert a 2.x style compare cmp function to a key function. Reverse is a boolean value. If set to true, then the list elements are sorted as if each comparison were reversed. This method modifies the sequence in place for economy of space when sorting a large sequence. To remind users that it operates by side effect, it does not return the sorted sequence. Use sorted to explicitly request a new sorted list instance. The sort method is guaranteed to be stable. A sort is stable if it guarantees not to change the relative order of elements that compare equal. This is helpful for sorting in multiple passes. For example, sort by department, then by salary grade. For sorting examples and a brief sorting tutorial, see sorting how to. See Python implementation detail. While a list is being sorted, the effect of attempting to mutate or even inspect the list is undefined. The C implementation of Python makes the list appear empty for the duration and raises value error if it can detect that the list has been mutated during a sort. Let's see the examples using of creating list. For example, L is equal to blank, print type of L. It should print list, right? Then print len length of L should be a blank. And if I say 1, for example, using constructor list 1, then let's see list 1, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Why? 1 2 3, list 1 2 3. List A B C. Okay, so this is correct. And then turns ABC, list 1 2 3. 1 1 2 3. 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, this is also correct. 4. What am I doing mistake earlier? Okay, and if I say just list with no element, it is equivalent to L is equal to empty. Now sorting. Okay, list comprehension. Let's see, we have seen this example. Let's see this example. List comprehension. So list is equal to X and for I in range 10, range 10, unresolved. Why? Oh, this should be I. So 10, print L list. It should be 0 1 2 3 9 10. Okay, if I say start from 2, it will say 2 3 4 5 6, and step, if I provide 1, then 2, step not 1 but 2, then it will jump up 1 instance. 2 4 6 8. If I say 100, it's like this. Okay, so we have seen this example, and this example. For example, this one, if I say list iterable range 10, so it should say list, type is list, total count is 10 elements, and then these are the 10 elements. Okay, so we have seen all the example. Let's see the sort example. Let's see the sort example. 2. Why 10 comma 2? Oh, 1 3 5 7 9. And if I say sort sorted L dot sort key is equal to 1. L dot sort, let's see, let me take an example of this, like 3 minus 2 1 0. Okay. So 3 minus 2, not any sort, so key is equal to 3. Key is equal to none, comma reverse is to, let's see. Hmm? Okay, so I got it. Now print L, and then we will be able to see sort operation 310 minus, and then L dot sort, and then let's print final in ascending order, minus 2 0 1 2 3. Okay, what about key? So that is all about place. Thank you.